I'm Amanda Shepard, and I invite you to explore with me the work of Gabriela Gonzalez Dellosso, whose major retrospective at the Fort Wayne Museum of Art brings together more than 30 years of her paintings and drawings in narrative realism.
I started my artistic training in my early 20s. Before then, it was only things from my imagination. So I would actually invent characters and stories and just draw from my imagination. But later, I studied the techniques and the formal aspects of being able to translate light and shadow.
The narrative realism of Gabriela Gonzalez Dellosso tells fascinating stories through her command of the human figure.
The human figure is a fascinating visual component. The human figure has emotion. The human figure can be very simple, or the human figure can be very elaborate. I think for me, the vehicle of the human figure is fascinating because it's a great tool.
Female artists whose legacies have been undervalued by the authors of art history. Solitary brides bedecked in their finery, and clowns in contemplative moments. In many of these works, the artist is the model, uniting her life, work, and legacy with those she portrays.
If I go back to the beginnings, I decided to use my mother as a model to tell my stories. My mother is a very interesting person. I've always admired her creativity. And one of the earliest paintings I painted of my mother was her at a sewing machine. So that was my first experiment with, the subject of my mother. I painted many of them with her. She was a clown. She wore a fur hat. My ideas are based on experiences and things that maybe that'll draw you in. The next thing I did was self-portraiture. I use my self-portrait to depict these historical women artists. And what I'll do in those self-portraits is I'll transform the features of my face into their features. And so I change. So it's a challenge. The self-portrait is a challenge. And I saw that I could tackle it. It's not an easy task, but that's what I do in the self-portraits and depicting them. And I feel the connection, and I try to connect through the style and the way I do the self-portrait.
In this major retrospective, the first for the artist, 60 works from every stage of Dellosso's 30-year career are featured, including early figure studies, self-portraits, works on paper in the style of illuminated manuscript, and several monumental paintings that exhibit her mastery of complex compositions in oil.
I love working in layers. So for me, the oils allow me to have texture. They allow me to work some details into the painting. And my process is not that calculated. It's an organic way of working. It's about figuring out how to create the story and the technique and create a great union. And that's something that I feel that I'm always evolving towards, like the greatest storytellers. I'm studying how they'll tell the story, and how to draw in the viewer. And it's something that's one of my goals for sure.
Mixing history, self-portraiture, traditional realism, dreamscape imagery, and themes that will resonate with contemporary audiences, Dellosso creates work that is always unfolding with new visual journeys.
So having a retrospective and seeing all my work together is a remarkable experience, because each painting, there was so much energy that went into creating each of the works in this show and there's so many here. There's 60 paintings. And I remember things that happened while I was painting each of these paintings. So it is a joy, a thrill, a little overwhelming, I guess, but an incredible, wonderful experience. And I'm so grateful to the Fort Wayne Museum of Art.
Thank you for joining me in celebrating the work of Gabriela Gonzalez Dellosso. To learn more about what's happening at the Fort Wayne Museum of Art, visit our website at FWMoA.org.